To use Call Translator on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first we need to make sure that it is enabled. So we're gonna open the phone app. Now over here in the home page, we're gonna tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and then open settings. Over here you should be able to find voice translate option, and we need to download the voice translate feature by enabling this option, and you can also choose the language that you speak. After that we can go to a call, and you should be able to find call assist option. So we can tap over here and choose voice translate. Over here we need to choose what is the language that the other person is speaking to us. So for example, if the other person speaks French, then you need to select French over here and then press done. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be translated into the selected language. In my case it will be French, and AI actually uses your voice and uses that voice in order to talk to that other person in that language. So whatever you say in your language, it is translated, and the AI uses your voice. And that's pretty much it. Over here we can also see that it is also being translated in the meantime as we speak. And whatever they talk to you, whatever they say in their language to you, it should also be translated as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.